Computing has changed. It used to be about data processing on isolated machines, but now it's all about communication. Web browsers and mobile apps communicate with servers and data centers. Cash machines communicate with banks, and even the mobile phones in our pockets contain multiple processing units that communicate with each other. Modern society is completely dependent on complex communicating computing systems, and at the heart of it all is software, the program code that instructs the communication and computation. Under the surface and behind the scenes, all of this software is created using a range of programming languages, which are used to tell the computers what to do. Programming languages evolved during the era of data processing, and they all have great support for handling data. For example, if a programmer tries to write code that adds two postcodes together, she gets an error message and has to correct it. The problem is that programming languages do not yet provide the same level of support for code that communicates. If a programmer tries to write code that sends a message when it should be receiving, there is no error message, and the mistake won't be discovered until the program is tested. My research uses a technique called session types to describe correct communication in a way analogous to the way that correct data processing is described now. The theory of session types has been thoroughly developed during the last 20 years, and my current project is turning theory into practice by designing new programming languages and tools to help programmers get their communication right. The project is called From Data Types to Session Types, a Basis for Concurrency and Distribution, or ABCD for short. It's a collaboration with the University of Edinburgh and Imperial College London. Here in Glasgow, we have developed two tools, Mungo and Saint Mungo, which help programmers to implement correct communication in the Java programming language. The challenge is not only to develop new programming languages and tools, but to deliver them to working programmers in a form that they can use. We're excited about the opportunity to succeed in this goal and influence the programming techniques of the future.